Ko Tainui, ko Kurahaupo ngā waka no ngā marae me ngā hapu maha o Ngāti Maniapoto ahau. Ko Heath Barnsdall tōku ingoa. I go to Piopio College. So I'm currently at school, but I'm shearing in weekends. And a bit of background from me, Piopio based. I've been there my whole life. And I enjoy the outdoors and anything to do with farming. I've found shearing, it's like everybody wants to, help out, brought the extra bond to the whānau. I find it peaceful, calming, and it was like a family sort of trait, and it's sort of carried on to me. I just want to be, really up there, and I'm talking like world records, just be real up there, and championships wise, chase the shows throughout the years, make it to open, win some open shows, and just be like a positive role model to the younger generation and make them want to do it. Once I did my injury, I tried to go back shearing. I was shearing for about a week and I couldn't even flip the sheep properly. It's bearable, and I'm just happy it's like it is now. I couldn't really handle it. I just want to be in the sheds, and because I skipped the main shear, and that was probably the hardest thing ever. I just want to just be happy, really, and just make sure people around me are happy, like family-wise, and maybe buy a farm one day. Words of encouragement to the younger generation, just to keep at it. Times may get rough, but just gotta bite the bullet and carry on. I've been down a tough track and I wanted to give up, but look at me now, I'm back in it and love every moment, and I just appreciate that I'm back in it.